Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's full review, 2023 Audi A6 sedan, 50 TDI Quattro all-wheel drive, 286 horsepower in total in this classic silver metallic exterior. Before we go any further in the review, special thanks to Porsche Inter Auto and their Audi dealership here in Zagreb making this video possible. I will put all their info in the description below. Welcome back everybody. Like I said in the very beginning, in today's full review, Audi A6 sedan, 50 TDI, 3-liter diesel engine, more than 280 horsepower, Quattro all-wheel drive mated to an automatic transmission, floret silver metallic exterior paint is this. This particular model is one of the most popular executive sedans or saloons, at least here in Croatia and in Europe. We will go through all exterior, interior details, practicality, and check the infotainment system. Let's go and start this review as usually with the front end design. Let's talk a little bit about this front end design, starting with the headlights. These are in full LED technology, LED daytime running lights, low beam, high beam turn signals. You will see that at the very end of a video. Always great handy solution, washers for your headlights, which is great when you travel in the winter months. In the low section, more of that chrome elements, which you will see later in the video, in the entire vehicle, with a front parking sensors. Moving here in the center part, now again more of that chrome elements, big chrome Audi logo, radars and front parking sensors. On a bonnet now you can see this strip which looks really sporty that follows down on a grille. Now just a word or two about this passenger side profile. On this particular model you get Pirelli 18-inch wheels with tires with standard aluminum Audi wheels. I think on these regular models you can go up to 20-inch in diameter. On the RS model you can go, I don't know, 21 or 22-inch in diameter. Do you remember when I said on a front-end design that you will see more of that chrome luxurious elements on a vehicle? Now all the way here in the back around the windows you have that chrome elements, really nice and luxurious touch. Door handles also in chrome, piano or a gloss black B-pillar with tinted rear windows, something really handy solution especially in the summer months. And on a passenger side you have fuel filler cap. On a roof you can see now we have shark antenna. Moving here at the rear end, you have on a boot some type of, let's say, small spoiler. It's not a spoiler, it's actually design feature, but it looks really nice. More of that chrome elements all the way on a driver's side. LED rear lights or tail lights. We have on a passenger side Quattro lettering, and in the low section more of that rear parking sensors with again chrome elements. In front or actually in the center part, Audi logo, underneath rear camera, and on a driver's side A6 lettering. So yeah, this is actually the end of my exterior walk around this 2023 Audi A6 sedan. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this exterior design. Do you like it? Would you go maybe for a S-line model or maybe some other exterior color? And now let's go and check the practicality test, starting with the boot space. So if you need to open the boot space, underneath the Audi logo you have rubber lever. Just press it and it opens automatically. 530 liters in total is the official number. So the boot opening is really wide, as you can probably tell, and it's actually pretty high, so there will be no problem for you to put larger items. I don't know how much you can see inside, but it's a really huge boot, and the rear seats can be fold down individually. There are some really good and handy solutions like these hooks, and these are real metal. Now this is some really premium touch. Some extra storage on a driver's side, and of course on a passenger side. Underneath this textile cover you have a little bit of extra storage, and underneath here on a passenger and driver's side you have 2 LED lights. Overall, really great in size and practicality. But now let's go and check the rear seats. Let's open the rear seats, or actually the rear doors. And before I go and check the rear seats, let's talk a little bit about this door design. Like in every Audi, gorgeous design and materials. Even here in this upper section on a rear door, you have really soft material with this really cool stitching. Speaker over here and speaker in the lower section. You can see now B&O upgraded premium surround system, a real metal door handle with that chrome effect over there and here, and that brushed aluminum effect here in the back. Center area where you will put your elbow, really nice and soft leather. Door pockets, maybe for 2 half-liter bottles. So before I go and sit on these rear seats, because I did put already this passenger front seat on my ideal sitting position, let's talk a little bit about these materials. In the center area and in the back you have textile, and on these outside elements really nice leather. Isofix anchor points here in the back, and on a driver's side center seat is in leather. You have center armrest in leather with 2 cup holders. Now let's go and sit on these rear seats to check how much knee, leg room and foot space I do have. So this passenger front seat is for my ideal sitting position. I'm about 184 centimeters. This is my knee room, this is my foot room, and for my head I do have also a couple of centimeters to spare. There is no problem for me here in the back. If you need to carry, let's say, 2 adults of my size, don't worry, they will travel in great comfort. Some of useful and practical features: 2 air vents here in the back. You can also choose your own climate here. Here in the far back of this passenger front seat you have this plastic material, which is great if you need to, let's say, carry kids. Here in the back you have these nets, also nets behind the driver's seat, also premium and useful feature. Sorry, you have air vent here on this B pillar with this hook for your coat or something like that. Overall, great design, great materials, and a huge amount of space. Now let's go and check the passenger front seat. Let's open the passenger front doors. Just quickly check the design, similar like in the back, gorgeous materials and really nice and premium design. Even larger, of course, door pockets here in the front. One really nice and premium features: these front seats are electronically operated. As you can see, these are not some type of S-line interior or seats, but it looks absolutely stunning. Real nice textile material in this center part with a nice leather outside. Welcome from a passenger front seat of a Audi A6 sedan. In front of me, gorgeous dashboard design and really premium materials. Even here in front of me, everything is soft, covered in this gorgeous material with this nice stitching. In front of me, in this actually low section from a far right, you have air vent, and here in the middle section 2 air vents. More of that brushed aluminum and chrome effect with that gloss black piano in front of me with a really nice Quattro lettering. Opening the glove box, really slow opening with that fabric inside, which is really something premium. And one thing that I didn't mention, the glove box opening is real metal. So thumbs up Audi, really great interior and of course design. For more the information about this center infotainment system and all of this stuff, I need to go and check the driver position. So opening the driver doors, now you can see famously known Audi digital dials on a left side, odometer and speedometer on a right side. Really gorgeous design and graphics. Now you can also see you have memory function here on doors with that gorgeous chrome effect. Let's just quickly examine this interior from a driver's seat. Air vent on a far left, all controls for the headlights here also on a far left. Now again, the digital dials are in action. Behind the steering wheel, minus and plus pedals. This is of course automatic transmission. Gorgeous steering wheel design with that gloss black and chrome effect in the lowest section. 3-spoke with that gloss black buttons on a steering wheel. Moving here on this center part, infotainment system in this middle section. Climate control features are in this lower screen. I will talk a little bit more of that in a minute. Some useful shortcut button over here, start stop engine, and easy and simple solution, but great solution for your radio controls. Gear lever, which looks absolutely stunning. Electronically operated parking brake, 2 cup holders, 12-volt socket. Center armrest, I didn't tell you, with that metal opening, reasonably sized, also covered in that textile material with 2 USB ports. Now just a word or two about this center infotainment system and this lower screen where you have all your climate control features. This is something really useful and handy, that you have separated at least 2 screens, and all your climate control features are on this lower section, and this is your center infotainment system with all the useful features, something like media, radio, vehicle status. There is easy to operate, and the best thing is that like on the most Audis you have that click when you press something. This is something really handy and a great solution. Now you can maybe hear a little bit of this gorgeous B&O premium surround system, and on this particular model now you will see you have navigation, and here we are. So yeah, overall great infotainment system, really nice in design, especially when you have also digital dials in front of us. Really cool design. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this interior design, and before I go and wrap this full review, I will turn the turn signals on so we can see them in action. Let's go and check here in the back. Gorgeous, really gorgeous dynamic LED turn signals here in the back. Let's go and check the door mirrors. Again, LED technology here on a door mirrors, and LED technology here in front. So this is the end of my full exterior interior review and practicality test with some infotainment check on this 2023 Audi A6 sedan or saloon, depends on where you live. 50 TDI, 286 horsepower in total, Quattro all-wheel drive, gorgeous exterior and interior design with some really practical and premium features. Before I go and wrap this review, special thanks again I have to say to Porsche Inter Auto and their Audi dealership for making this video possible. I will put all their info in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you all a very nice day.